Being interrupted while doing tasks and getting killed first are only two of the most annoying things in playing Among Us. However, there is one that stands out from the rest, which personally is the most frustrating. Kamusta yo fam, I'm Yowards, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how I made my cardboard automaton, which is inspired from the Among Us ejection scene. It's pretty simple and easy to make, so let's get started! Go to my website and print the PDF file. Tape the template onto the cardboard and trace the lines with cutter. I then cut out the crewmates and glued them onto a piece of thin cardboard. With great precision and patience, I then cut out the Among Us crewmates. To make it look neater, I painted the outlines with black. Once the paint dried, I then glued pieces from earlier to the back of each crewmate. These pieces are for the crank handle. To make this piece, I grabbed wooden sticks and cut them like so to match the template. However, to make my craft more durable, I used steel wire instead. Either way, the automaton will still work fine. I then grabbed this piece and inserted it to the wire like so. Next step I made was making the automaton box. I then inserted this piece and glued it onto the base of the box. This will help stabilize and secure the wire. After that, I glued the top part of the box. Next, I secured this cardboard piece with a stick. Since I'm using steel wire, I can easily bend it like so to make the crank handle. If you're using the wooden sticks, you can utilize these pieces from earlier. I grabbed these pieces and glued wooden sticks into these holes. The excess parts were trimmed off to make sure that the automaton operates smoothly. I then placed this piece in between and secured this circle shape with super glue. Lastly, I placed this piece on top of the box and glued this piece from earlier to the end of the stick. After painting, my cardboard automaton was all done. Despite its simplicity, I hope you guys still like this video and smash the thumbs up. Before we end the video though, I'd like to give a massive shout out to the following Yo fam. Thanks so much to all of you, and hey, if you want to earn a shout out, be sure to join the Yo fam and ring that bell so you get notified whenever I upload new stuff. I think that's it for today's quick art. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon!